who is honored by the renaming of Fort Lee Military Base. Have you ever wondered about the significance behind military base names? Today, we are focusing on Fort Lee, a United States Army installation located in Virginia. Originally, this base was named after Confederate General Robert E. Lee. However, recent changes have shifted the focus to honor a different figure. As of July 2025, Fort Lee was renamed to honor Private Fitz Lee, a remarkable Black soldier and Buffalo Soldier. He earned the Medal of Honor for his courageous actions during the Spanish-American War in Cuba. Private Fitz Lee is celebrated for his bravery in rescuing wounded soldiers while under enemy fire. He sustained serious injuries during this heroic act and received the Medal of Honor while recovering in a hospital at Fort Bliss, Texas. Tragically, he passed away at the young age of 33. This renaming is a significant step in recognizing the contributions of diverse service members in the military. Before the renaming to honor Private Fitz Lee, the base was briefly named Fort Gregg Adams in 2023. This name change honored to prominent African-American military officers, Lieutenant General Arthur J. Gregg and Lieutenant Colonel Charity Adams Early. This was a historic moment as it marked the first United States military base named for African Americans. The renaming of Fort Lee reflects a broader effort to remove names associated with the Confederacy and to honor figures who representing valor and service from various backgrounds. By restoring the Fort Lee name to honor Private Fitz Lee, the military is redefining its legacy. This change aligns with the Army's commitment to diversity and the recognition of historically underrepresented service members. For those living in the armed forces community, this renaming is more than just a title change. It represents evolving values and honors heroism beyond traditional associations. It fosters pride and inclusivity within military culture. In practical terms, Fort Lee continues to serve as a key center for Army logistics and quartermaster training. Thousands of soldiers train and prepare for their missions at this installation every year. The renaming serves as a reminder of the diverse contributions to the armed forces and the importance of honoring all who have served with distinction.